me, your Cheryl. As you can tell from the title in today's video, I am moving to Dubai and this is all so exciting for me, so I'm gonna share with you my journey of me moving to Dubai during this pandemic. If you could like and subscribe, it would really help me out, and let me know in the comment section below if you would love to see more of my life in Dubai on my channel. This is all a very sudden decision for both of us to decide to move to Dubai. I remember we booked the tickets and apartments 2 weeks before we moved to Dubai, and I had to inform my families and friends and arrange a last meetup with them in 2 weeks. It was kinda rushed, but everything worked out great in the end. We actually had a list of food to eat in Singapore before leaving, so here's the few scenes of us enjoying our favorite Singapore local food. Newton Fruit Market was just a few minutes away from our old apartment. We went there to have our last carrot cakes, satay, and sugarcane juice. This is one of the most popular fruit market in Singapore.
Hello, baby.
Aww.
Our last time in the market.
Yeah.
Our favorite carrot cake, favorite
Satay's
sugar
coming.
cake, and then satay is coming later. Satay has arrived.
Curry chicken laksa, oh my god, our favorite. I already miss this food so much. Here's with my bestie that I've known for 8 years. She's been with me since the beginning and we've been through so many things together. I love her so much and she will always be my family. 27th February, all things packed, got our COVID test result ready, waiting for our group to head to Changi Airport and saying last goodbye to Singapore.
Baby, this is our coffee in Changi. And look at how empty it is.
All my families and friends are very supportive of my decision and they are very happy and excited for me. But of course, it's not always exciting and happy emotions for me in that 2 weeks. My feelings were quite mixed. I was excited for the new adventure, but I also felt sad that I was actually leaving my home, my families, and my friends. At this moment here in Dubai, when I'm talking you through my thoughts and process, moving to Dubai, I feel so lucky to be here, honestly. I think this is by far one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. Fun fact is that I made the best decision of my life when I chose not to overanalyze and just follow my heart. It made me realize that in some way we know what we want in our life. It's just our head messing up with us with too much fear to follow our heart. And when I conquer that fear in my head and follow my heart, and right now I'm sitting on my bed with this perfect view in my room, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so proud that I've made this far. And that one person that I'm most grateful for is my partner. He's the one who pushes me to make it this far. Here we had our food on the plane watching The Great Gatsby. It was a really great movie and interesting because it kept me thinking about the scenes all the time after that. Emirates prepared a travel hygiene kit for each of us, including mask, gloves, hand sanitizer, and sanitizing wipes. After 7 hours of flight, we finally landed in Dubai. Unexpectedly, Dubai airport was full of people all around the world coming to Dubai. I was quite surprised by how many people are coming here. We didn't have to do another COVID test in Dubai airport. They only checked our test result from the one we did back in Singapore. So lucky us. It was still midnight when we touched down to Dubai airport, so we stayed in a Starbucks for several hours, doing some work and rest until 7 a.m. in the morning. You can easily get a taxi here in Dubai airport, and the taxi fare cost us about 39 Sing dollar for a 25-minute ride. And when we came outside of the airport, The weather was so chilly and windy. I really didn't expect that from Dubai because the last time I went, the weather was so hot that I couldn't stand it. Along the route to our new apartment in Dubai Marina, the morning view in Dubai is just amazing. I mean, I don't have to say anything, you can see it yourself how pretty this is. Watching this made me so excited for the new adventure ahead. Arrive in our building, simply wowed by the lobby areas already. They have 2 lobbies here for different floors I assume because they have 85 floors in total in this building and it is currently 13th tallest building in Dubai. Since we could not check in our apartment yet, we decided to just leave our bags with the receptions and explore around Dubai Marina. First up, we went to the supermarket near our place. They have so many nice fresh salads, so we ordered some and ate it on the bench looking at the marina view. The feeling is just so good. Then we went to this cafe called Breaking Bread to get ourselves a cup of Spanish latte, which costs about $8 for one, the cheapest one I had so far in Dubai. After that, we went to JBR Beach to walk around, got our feet on the sands and feel the ocean water. And look at these camels just casually hanging out by the beach. The beach was pretty crowded with people and no one is wearing masks, so basically there is no social distancing at the beach. Other than that, we will have to wear masks all the time when we are out. It was a really long day for us, without being able to get a proper shower and sleep for the whole day before we could check in our apartment due to some issues with the management. So we went to another cafe for coffee and food. We had a quinoa salad and a cup of Spanish latte for about $36.
Abby, where can we go back to our apartment? I need to rest. So cold.
And finally, we are checking in our apartment. My first time seeing this apartment. Such a view that I get to enjoy every single day. How lucky I am. Dreams to come true and I'm on my way there. That's all for today's vlog. I'll be sharing more of my life here in Dubai, places I've visited, things I've tried in my coming vlogs on my channel. So please stay tuned. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram where I share my daily updates in Dubai. And subscribe to my channel, smash that like button and hit the bell notifications for more coming vlogs. Bye!